In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Pay. Let's start with the basics so your checkout is smooth from the very first try. First, make sure you're signed into your Google Pay account. Being signed in ties your payment info to the right profile and lets Google Pay securely fill in your details when you check out. If you have more than one Google account, double check you're using the one where your cards are stored to avoid any confusion at checkout. Next, confirm that your payment methods are saved in Google Pay. You can add a credit or debit card and set your preferred one as the default. While you're there, take a moment to update your billing address and remove any expired cards. It's also helpful to add your shipping address ahead of time so it's ready to go when you buy something that needs to be delivered. As you use Google Pay, you may be asked to verify your identity. This could be a one-time code, a fingerprint or face scan, or your device password. These prompts help protect your account and payments. Only approve prompts you expect and never share verification codes. If your phone supports it, enabling a device screen lock adds an extra layer of security and speeds up verification. When you're ready to make a purchase, look for the Google Pay button at checkout. It might say Google Pay, GPay, or Buy with Google Pay. If you don't see it, the merchant may not support it yet, and you'll need to use another payment option. Click the Google Pay button, then choose the card you want to use. Review and confirm your shipping address. If you're buying a physical item, you can edit your address on the spot if something's outdated, and you can also check your contact email and phone number so order updates reach you without delay. Finish by confirming the order to complete the transaction securely. Google Pay uses industry standard protections, and in many cases, your actual card number isn't shared with the merchant. You should see an on-screen confirmation, and you'll usually get a receipt by email. If anything looks off, you can review the order details in your Google account or contact the merchant's support. Finally, if you use the Chrome browser and have it synced, your saved Google Pay cards can automatically appear as options during checkout. Just make sure you're signed into the same account in Chrome and have sync enabled, and your payment details will be ready when you need them. That's it. Sign in, save your cards, verify when prompted, choose Google Pay at checkout, confirm your details, and place your order with confidence.